tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast for January 2016. Happy New Year, Geminians. We begin the month with Mercury that is going direct in a part of your chart that speaks about long distance travel. It speaks about dealing with foreign partners. It also speaks about higher mind and consciousness. But Mercury is just going direct for about 4 days before it goes retrograde the entire month till about 25th. It's going retrograde in a part of your chart that speaks about joint finances, intimacy, and shared resources as well. It's a time, Geminians, where you are going to be looking at as to how it is that you're going to be reallocating your resources. It's also a time wherein that it's may simply be necessary to pick up the loose ends and to see whether where is it that you can really tie them securely now. So this entire month, January, is really a month of reevaluation. What is it that you do with your money, the money that is generated by a spouse, the money that you generate or is coming from another third source, how does it get reallocated? So it's all about moving very smartly with the money that you have. And it's also a time, however, wherein that you need to be looking at assets that you've forgotten about. Maybe there's some piece of land that you've not really done much about. Maybe there's, some investment that is just lying dead and is not doing you some great good. It's a great time to be sort of pulling all of that out and seeing as to how it is you can reinvest or you can use that money for yourself. We have Mars that is going to be entering your house of work and health. And this is in the first week. It's just going to make you work more harder. It's going to, and Mars is of course a pushy, passionate planet. So a lot of energy will be there. You will be in high spirits, and some of you could be feeling quite aggressive as well. Be careful that you don't sort of hurt yourself while working out too vigorously. But it's a brilliant time to be, nonetheless, be taking care of your health, to be being very outspoken at your work. Try not to get too aggressive. It's okay to be firm, but watch yourself as to what is it that you say around workplace. And it's also a time wherein that you will be sort of re-looking at your career as to where it is that you're going and what is it that you want out of your career and out of your life. So there is going to be, and you're going to be vocalizing that a lot. You're going to be very vocal about it. It's not going to be something that's going to be happening at the back of your mind. It's a great time, Geminians, and especially this is around the mid-month, and this is the time where the Sun is going to be entering your house of joint finances and resources, wherein that you will see a solution, you will see some light in that dark tunnel, and you'll say, oh wow, there is an alternate to this. I can do something else along with with whatever it is that I'm generating as of now. On the 23rd, we have a full moon that is there in your house, which speaks about family relations. It speaks about siblings. It also speaks about your work to a certain extent. And during this time, full moon is normally about closure. It means that something is coming to an end. Maybe some of you are ending a project. Maybe some of you are finishing off with a partnership. It can be that for some of you, a sibling is now not cutting ties, but is sort of just drifting apart, or is just detaching, they're just detaching themselves. And briefly, it's a temporary sort of a separation that it speaks about. And during end of the month, you will find it seems to be quite a busy energy. You'll find yourself running around with chores. Maybe things need to be done, a lot of paperwork, a lot of phone calls to be answered. So just a lot of balls in the air for you, Gemini, this month. So a lot of seems to be getting unfolded, but it all looks fine. So don't stress too much. Towards the end of the month, we have Venus that is going to be there in your house of shared resources, intimacy. So you can expect some amount of good news as far as your business partnerships are concerned. Maybe you will be able to do a business partnership with a friend, or maybe with an ex-colleague, or maybe with a partner, and it will be something that will be lucrative for you. It's been a pleasure speaking with you, Geminians. I'll see you again soon, and thank you so much for watching.